2023 South by Southwest Festival, hosted over 2 weeks in the middle of March, was expected to draw potentially the largest crowds in its 37-year history to Austin, including the first class of speakers from the Aerospace Corporation.
The whole science and tech was not part of what they were doing in South by Southwest. Apparently they only started a few years ago, so to see space as part of that agenda is actually very cool.
Nearly 100 aerospace and defense-themed panels and networking events dotted the 2023 South by conference slate. Aerospace bridged this growing focus with the traditional South by themes of sustainability, diversity, and futurism by contributing to 5 panels, including 2 sessions on orbital debris.
Well, we really kind of thought about it more from a whole life cycle of debris. How do you really think about this as a sustainable ecosystem?
Make sure we're doing it now so we can prevent the problems from happening rather than trying to fix them later.
Because space is being put out there more to the general public, we've got opportunities for collaboration with folks that wouldn't necessarily get to talk to otherwise.
Because we want to be able to build our future workforce with diversity so that we can, create solutions to solve some of the hardest problems. And we know in order to do that, we have to start with building a pipeline.